We know from previous videos that resistors are measured in ohms and that they come in standard values. Resistors also have their value marked on them to indicate their value, but how do you read resistor values? Well, through-hole carbon resistors use the 4-band color code. Through-hole metal film use a 5-band color code, and surface mount resistors most commonly use a 3-digit or 4-digit code. The color code assigns a number to colors. 0 is assigned to the color black. 1 is assigned the color brown. 2 is assigned the color red. 3 is assigned the color orange. 4 is assigned the color yellow. 5 is assigned the color green. 6 is assigned the color blue. 7 is assigned the color violet. 8 is assigned the color gray. And 9 is assigned the color white. So, for a 4-band resistor, for example, this brown, black, yellow resistor with a gold band, the first 3 bands define the resistor's value, and the 4th band its tolerance. So, the brown band denotes a 1, the black band a 0, and the 3rd band a 4. The first 2 bands define the first 2 digits of the resistor's value, and the 3rd denotes the power of 10 multiplier, which corresponds to the number of zeros that follow. So in this example, we're looking at a 100,000 ohm resistor or a 100 kilo ohm resistor. The final band denotes a 5% tolerance. Silver denotes a 10% tolerance, and a blank 4th band denotes 20%. Rarely will you encounter 10 or 20% tolerance resistors though. Metal film resistors have a 1% tolerance or better. As such, another digit is needed to identify their value. For example, this brown, black, black, red, brown is a 1002, which equals 100 times a multiplier of 10 to the power 2, which adds another 2 zeros to the value, giving us a value of 10,000 ohms or 10 kilo ohms. The final brown band denotes a tolerance of 1%. Brown is the most common final band for 5-band resistors. You may encounter other colors, but in that case, consult the manufacturer to determine the tolerance. Generally, if a surface mount resistor is an 0805 or larger, it will use a 3 or 4-digit code. The first 2 digits denote the first 2 digits of the resistor's value, and the 3rd identifies the multiplier, which equals the number of zeros that follow. So this 101 resistor is a 100 ohm resistor. Tolerance is not included in the code, but most surface mount resistors are 1% or better. Be careful of the 10 ohm surface mount resistor. It will be marked 100. Remember, the 3rd digit is a power of 10 multiplier, and 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, and so in effect, no zeros are added to the final value. Again, if the surface mount resistor is large enough, usually 0805 or larger, manufacturers may identify a resistor's value using 4 digits. The first 3 digits identify the first 3 digits in the resistor's value, and the 4th digit is the power of 10 multiplier, which identifies the number of zeros that follow. So this 4991 resistor is a 4,990 ohm resistor or 4.99 kilo ohm resistor. Again, most surface mount resistors are 1% tolerance or better. The 3-digit and 4-digit code are the most commonly used for 0805 sized resistors and larger. Smaller resistors will use a combination number and letter code. Check the manufacturer's datasheet to decipher these codes. Next in our video series, we'll explain what capacitors do in a circuit.